GeoSnappers, welcome back to another video. Are you familiar with cartograms? Cartograms are thematic maps where the size of a place on a map is distorted based on a numeric variable. Think of it this way. If you blew up a balloon representing each country in the world, the size of the balloon would reflect the population or the GDP, not the area of the country. Now, I'm sure you've all seen one, but have you made one? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own cartograms in ArcGIS Pro 3.5. So here I've added a new map to my project, and I'm going to get some publicly available data from the ArcGIS Living Atlas. Let's make one for the United States. I'll search for state populations, select this layer, and add it to my map. First, let's inspect the data to make sure it's going to work for a cartogram. I can see each record in the data is for a single US state, and there is a field, a numeric field, for population. Perfect. Now I can search for the Geoprocessing tool, Generate Contiguous Cartogram. This tool is new to ArcGIS Pro 3.5, and it generates a cartogram by distorting the area of polygons, states in our case, to be proportional to each other based on a numeric field, population in this case. I'll use the layer as the input, select the population field, give the output layer a name, and accept the flow-based method parameter. Now I can click Run, and that's it. Here's the generated cartogram. We can see that states like California, Florida, and the normally tiny states of New England appear larger than normal, and states like Montana, Oregon, and Alaska are much smaller as they have small populations compared to relatively large areas. And that's how you can make your own cartograms in ArcGIS Pro 3.5. Check out the description of this video for more information and documentation. If you end up making your own unique looking cartograms, share them with us on LinkedIn or Instagram. For more GIS tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel for more GeoSnaps, and as always, thanks for watching. Happy mapping.